I don't know can them mother Ogechi Okeke Njaka is now begging people for money. Ogechi Okeke Njaka is now begging people for money. Very soon we are going to open a GoFundMe account for Ogechi. Before your very nose, millions will be deposited into that account. Anya mili ye mecha ba some of you nanya. Unu ge bente monte mo. Unu ye ba anya mo. E what I go? Oh, Yoma. Ogechi Yoma. Oh, fancy. He took you time to build that fan base, man. It took you time to build that fan base, man. Do you know how many people that are contacting me? Yes, we go. Ogechi, we need delay go. Joy, we need delay go. Huh? Oh, no need delay go. Let you have to go. A long time ago, build as a content creator. Make sure that you build the kind of fan base Ogechi Nwelu. Build what the kind of fan base Ogechi Nwelu. If you build the kind of fan base Ogechi Nwelu, you will tell me. You will thank me. I don't even know how she managed to do that. Upon the fact that that a lot of people hate it. Now I keep looking for all those people. A lot of people. Who are those a lot of people? You people keep referring to. Because the kind of love I have seen people show her, it even marvels me. It marvels me the kind of love I have seen people. People who are willing to throw in their resources and throw in their time. Also go Facebook and make on name. Kumwela another thing on name. Unu bekali akwa. No getting I the mother go. I launch a GoFundMe account. Launch here online. Una fuebebe yebu. Ono ya fue bedebe yebu. Ono ya fue go. Anya mili a Jpac. You want to go? Yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Yes. I know what I'm talking about. Unu bekari akwa maka Ogechi na apụta online. Ayego. Aya launch ya Ogechi a GoFundMe account. Make everything although transparent. Ka BP we will opportunity and we will not move for the limon anya. Can we see we will move for the limon at this particular time? After no show more cook on wada. No cook on one was on a football clear in even or show more cook on wada. Ogechi is relaxing. You people are doing the most. You do the most of thinking every night. You sleep thinking, where is Ogechi? How can I see Ogechi? Where is Ogechi? Where is you say? These are a lot of things. Sometimes I sit down and I imagine, what are these guys really going through? And sometimes, honestly, I feel your pain. I know it's not easy. Imagine when you almost felt that you are there, and then for like 2 months you have tried to Mogata if I no way. You have done all kinds of speculation. You have done all kinds of prediction. In fact, you have exhausted every single thing. You have lamented, you have cried, tears have disappeared from your eyes, and you are now running away from platform to platform, constituting nuisance. You gotta go. I launch GoFundMe. Peg ya go na show. I will get 50 million for Ogechi before your very own eyes. A guy ya jump to 50 million. Iwe money for Karisia, Jiwe will Karisia. Iwe money for Karisia, Jiwe will Karisia. Bebe na akwa. Piano na comment section mo. Yes, we go. Ekonata no Ogechi. Iwe go ticket here this America abata. Do you have money? Can you pay for a ticket even one way? Can you pay for a ticket? Only one ticket. See America abata with the dollars with dollars. Eh? From America. I am glad that I am this powerful that I can pull a whole Okarisia wine all the way from America to Nigeria. Give me kudos, give me my flowers. I am very powerful that Ogechi no na Agwanya Bia Nigeria for over how many years? He couldn't even listen to you people. It has to take me Ezugo to move Okarisia wine from Chicago to Nigeria. Give me my flowers because I deserve that. You can't take it away. Imagine, you can't take it away. Ogechi won the Ngo Banebo no. Ogechi won the Mudenebo no. Ogechi wonyere mkwatu n'ebe unu no. Ogechi wonyere anything n'ebe unu no. She is everything impossible where you people are. And I, as you go, I was able to pull a whole Okarisia one all the way from Chicago back to Nigeria. You people should give me my flower because I deserved it. I am not just an ordinary human being. I am not just an ordinary person. Somebody you people have fought tooth and nail for over 7 years. And within just how long Ezugo was able to move her from all the way from America to Nigeria. I deserve that flower. Remember what I said. Unu bekari akwa okarono mwa maka that GoFundMe you throw a lot of you into panic. It is going to be a physical test and you are going to see it. Now, all you are too transparent. I ain't anything guru na una afuye na nyocha. You want to go akwaka again. So nebe na akwa Ogechi is begging for money. Ogechi is throwing account number. He go show now all you say to a clear anya ibekari akwa aya launch a GoFundMe account. If you can go you see zoka millionaire, you gotta go. If you can go you see zoka millionaire, na nwoke I will know Jpac kurie even though no kurie benya na nwanyi na ebe ife. You gotta go. Oh yes. Na me talk bebe na akwa unu bekata kwa akwa o nwere ebe unu ya ebelu akwa. I'm very happy to see you wala agba unu obi egwu ahụ na agba egwu ahụ ifuru na agba ama no na agba well lot of you obi ọ na agba yo na afu ifuru ya dasi kill you this girl kill you this lady. Why can't they just appreciate this lady? Come on, don't know. I understand. I don't know pain. Sometimes I feel your pain. Believe me, I feel your pain. I know what some of you are passing through. You know that I know what some of you are passing through. So if I own and claim on a mama, it will be me being insensitive to your cries. So I understand and I sympathize with you people. You know that but because depression is real and BP na mado. Abago na BP nwere ike cause stroke. I shouldn't care any of you have stroke. You know that Ogechi has come back home here to stay with you people. You people should be happy. You know that you guys should be happy that Ogechi has finally come back home after staying how many years in America. And you should even be more grateful to me for making it possible. Why people who know bata may you do possible? Why are you calling Ezugo? Because you have deceived Ezugo. You have deceived Ogechi to come back. I thought this is what you people have been looking for. Why are you blaming me now for doing something that you have been wishing for all these years? I brought her back to you. Is this not what you have always wanted? Can you melon or don't go deceive you? Go deceive you? Ogechi, Ogechi, one Ogechi, Mamu Ogechi. I don't need the defeat on the Facebook, I swear. You need to contact to chant on the Facebook. If you don't need the one they are there, basbos. Thank God that without Facebook we can still eat. Imagine what will happen. My own on Facebook with me. Thank God that without Facebook we can afford to eat, we can afford to take care of ourselves. All thanks to God. Imagine what will happen. No kupaye. Ebe mbaba isiri ike na Facebook agodo. Ona ka apri no aikoko. Mara ye padolo na padolo all round. We are prepared for you. You don't need the day a day you basbos makona actually udo because no na amari fe peace. All of you will not experience anything peace. It will be very far away from you people. Very far away from you people. GoFundMe account loading no bolo no na actually by the muno. So no mu wes go balon. Kaina ga